What up guys? So previously I made a video about the Sui Bison smart contract where we are staking some Sui to earn Sui in return. Alright, and in that video I said it clearly that I'm going to be making another video showing you how you can withdraw your funds from this platform and also give you guys more updates about the platform and how it's really going. Alright, so this is that video I'm talking about. So in this video I'm going to make a withdrawal, a live withdrawal, show you guys how it works and also give you more insights about this project and how you can take maximum advantage of it. All right, so if you're interested in everything I just mentioned right here right now, you have to stick to this video till the end. Alright, so before I get started, I want you guys to know that this video has nothing to do with a financial advice. Neither am I a financial expert. These videos are strictly educational videos where I try stuffs online to make some extra income daily, and whenever I try and it works for me, I bring it to you guys so that you guys can also take maximum advantage of these platforms. So if you are interested and you want to get involved, make sure you do your own research and make sure you are only investing what you can afford to lose, because this is cryptocurrency, highly volatile and risky, so anything can happen. So you can see I am now currently earning at 3%. If you check my net ROI, I am earning at 3%, and from the previous video I was earning at 2% when we did that video. This is how it works. They increase your ROI every 5 days. They increase it by 0.5%. So 0.5% will be added to your ROI, and this continues till you get to 4%. Once your account is earning 4%, it stops at 4%, but it's going to be valid for 100 days. So that's going to make it, in total you'll be earning like 400% on your ROI. All right, so over here now I want to make withdrawal 4.8 Sui into my wallet. But before I do that, I want you guys to understand the withdrawal system, the rules and regulations, or let me say the conditions that are applied with the withdrawal system. So it says here, if we withdraw, you're going to get 60% of your balance in your personal wallet, meaning 60% will be going straight into your wallet. Then 20% will be going to your deposit. This is where you can see my stake over here. So 20% will be adding there, and 10% will be going to your token, the SBT token that was given to you. Then it's going to be added here. All right, you get it here. Then extra, the last 10% will be going to the global matrix pool, to the global pool. So where you see your global matrix pool over here, 10% will be going over here. So that's just how it works. All right, so meaning if you make withdrawals, you are not going to get everything. You are going to get 60% in your wallet, while the others go into different pools, and you're also still going to be benefiting from it. All right, so now quickly, this is what we're going to do to withdraw. You click on the withdraw button right here. So once you get here, you can see boldly written here that all your earnings will be automatically withdrawn to the address you entered right here. So any address you are putting here will automatically become the address you always withdraw your funds to. All right, and the minimum to withdraw is just 1 Sui. I've said that earlier on. And also it is recommended that you use a decentralized wallet. So that could be Sui wallet, or you can use your trust wallet address. But anyway, I have a Sui wallet address that I am using. That's a decentralized, the Sui blockchain itself, its wallet, that's what I'm using. And if you want to also use it, you can head over to the Play Store. It's right there, or you can just check in the description of this video. The link will be there. You can click on it and it will take you to Play Store, where you can download the Sui wallet. All right, so after downloading the wallet, all you have to do is to set it up, create an account, and also save your recovery phrase, which is very, very important. Keep it safe somewhere, because it's meant for only you and not to be shared with anyone. So you keep it very safe. It is the only way you always have access to your wallet anytime it gets missing or you're having a problem with your wallet. All right, so we're going to quickly click on this button that says withdraw Sui, that says withdraw right here. So you click on it. All right, so all we have to do now is to go to our wallet and copy the wallet address and bring it right here and paste it in this box and withdraw our Sui. So I'm going to go over to my Sui wallet and I'll copy the wallet address from there. I bring it right here for you guys to see. So here we are in my Sui wallet. I'm just going to click over here and copy my wallet address. Okay, I've just copied it. Like I said, you can download this from Play Store. The link is also in the description of this video. You can check it out and download to hold some Sui. If you have Sui, or you just bought some Sui from exchanges and you just want to hold in your wallet, you can use the Sui wallet. There are lots of other opportunities in this wallet, so you can use it and also start earning extra passive income. Anyway, copied my wallet address. I'm just going to head over to the Sui Bison platform. Right, so back over here, I'm just going to paste the wallet address I copied. I'm going to paste it here. Okay, very good. The wallet address is good. And the next thing I will be doing here is to click on withdraw. So I'm going to be withdrawing the 4.82 3 Sui. Alright guys, so I just got it in my wallet. It didn't even take up to 3 minutes, not even up to 1 minute guys. Actually it didn't get to 1 minute and I got the Sui in my wallet. You can see right here, now I have $12 worth of Sui, and this is my 60% of my balance. All right, 60% of my balance, which is 2.89 Sui out of 4.8 Sui. All right, so 60%, that's 2.89 Sui, and I got it live here in my wallet. So now let's go back to the Sui Bison application and see if we've also gotten the 20% added back to our staking. All right, back here you can see our balance has also increased. Our staking balance has increased. So the 20% has been added over here, and also we can check our token has also increased. 10% has been added to our token, so we have 164.9 SBT token right now. If you keep doing these things, you'll keep earning SBT also on the side. Remember, the total supply of SBT is just 100 million and 65% is going to the community. All right, so it's as simple as that guys. So I just make withdrawal from the Sui Bison application and I showed you a step-by-step guide on how you can do it by yourself. So guys, it's as simple as that. That is just how you can withdraw your funds from right here. And remember, I told you, if you know how to refer, you're good at referring, you can actually make good money from this by just building your team. Increase your team and you are going to be earning extra income from there. All right, even though you don't know how to refer, you can still earn by just sticking to the investment plan and just interact with the smart contract. You're still going to be earning your own daily income. All right, so that is just how it works guys. So if you're interested, the link is in the description. You can go down there, click on it and hop on it and start earning passive income with Sui Bison application right now. But guys, remember, this is not a financial advice. Do your own research and make sure you are only investing what you can afford to lose. This is cryptocurrency guys. Cryptocurrencies are very volatile and highly risky. All right, so if this is your first time you're seeing the platform and you want to get started, I've also made a video of how to get started. I made a previous video explaining everything from the scratch for you to understand more about this project. Everything is in that video, so you can go ahead, click it and watch it. It's going to pop up on the top right corner of this video also, so you can take your time to click it and watch it if you are new to the system. All right, so guys, if you like what I showed you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so that you get notified each time I upload another brand new one. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.